Hi guys, in this video I'll explain you how to use the periodic table to enhance your understanding of chemistry. Firstly, elements in the periodic table are divided into groups and their periods. Groups are vertical columns and periods are horizontal rows. Elements within the same group have the same number of valence electrons, meaning they have the same chemical properties. For example, elements in group 2 have 2 electrons in their outer shell, resulting in valence of 2. Similarly, elements in group 17 have 7 valence electrons, leading to similar chemical properties for these elements. In periods, elements have the same number of energy levels, which are regions where electrons are reside. Elements in the first period have only one energy level, while those in the second period have 2 energy levels, and so on. Properties of elements gradually change across periods. Metals are found at the beginning of each period, and as we move to the right, metallic properties weaken while non-metallic properties strengthen. Secondly, each element cell contains its atomic number and its atomic mass. The atomic number tells us the number of protons in the nucleus of that atom. If the atom is neutral, then the number of electrons surrounding the nucleus is also equal to the atomic number. The atomic mass is the mass of 1 mole of substance. This mass accounts for the isotopic composition of the element, so it is fractional. Thirdly, elements in the periodic table can be divided into several blocks: S block, P block, and D blocks elements. There are also F block elements which are located at the bottom of the periodic table, but they are rarely used in chemistry. All D block elements and almost all S block elements except for hydrogen and helium are metals. This means they tend to donate their valence electrons in chemical reactions, showing reducing properties. Among the P block elements, there are both metals and non-metals. Metals are located in the lower left part of this block, while non-metals in the upper right. If you draw a line from boron to polonium, non-metals will lie above this line, while metals will lie below. Elements along this line can exhibit both metallic and non-metallic properties. By the position of an element in the periodic table, we can learn a lot about its properties. And now I will demonstrate this with 2 examples. Barium, here it is, an element of the 6th period, meaning it has 6 energy levels where electrons reside. It is in group 2, indicating it has 2 valence electrons which participate in chemical bonding. Barium's atomic number is 56, so it's 56 protons in its nucleus. And in a neutral atom of barium there are 56 electrons orbiting the nucleus. Barium is S block elements, belonging to metals and exhibiting strong reducing properties. The second example is oxygen. It is in a second period, meaning its atom has 2 energy levels occupied by electrons. Oxygen is in group 16, meaning it has 6 valence electrons which can participate in chemical bonds. Oxygen's atomic number is 8, meaning its nucleus contains 8 protons. And in a neutral atom of oxygen there are 8 electrons surrounding the nucleus. Oxygen is a P block element belonging to non-metals and showing strong oxidizing properties. In conclusion, by understanding an element's position in the periodic table, we can deduce its electronic structure and predict its chemical properties. And that's it for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time!